Hi, my name is Mikel Good. I'm from the class of 2023, and I've been in the mechatronics program for 3 years now. So it all started when we took a mechatronics field trip to Delta College, and they were doing a Skills USA contest. And as a part of that, we were able to tour the programs at Delta and see the projects that the kids there were working on. And while I was there, I saw a 3D printed chess piece. It was similar, but then when I got back, I started designing my own and had dreams of making my own, but I wanted to do it out of aluminum using the CNC machines that we have in the shop here at Lakers. And so I did a little research into that and actually found some resources on Titans of CNC, which is the academy we use for all our CNC learning. And I used that as the source for all of the designs for my pieces, and then from there I created it and then programmed it, and here they are today. So for the chessboard, I saw a version of it online, and then I was visiting my grandparents in Iowa over the summer, and they have a nice wood shop, and so I was working with my grandma on creating this and starting it, but I was not able to finish it there, so I brought the wood back to Lakers, and I completed the project with Mr. Diebel at the beginning of the year. But then when I went to put the pieces on, I realized it was probably a little too small, so to make it more proportionally accurate, I scaled things back up. So when I visited my grandma then again in the winter, got more of the wood and same kind of thing, cut it down and then brought it back. And then Mr. Diebel and we worked on it, and here it is now, and I like it a lot better the way it fits, so I'm really proud of how it looks. Well, yeah, my chessboard and chess set, that was obviously one of probably the biggest projects I've done while in my time on mechatronics. But some other projects I've worked on is I've done a lot of work with the robot, and it was our first year and first robotics, so I helped out quite a bit with that. And then I've done quite a lot using the laser printer and engraver, cutting out bridges and engraving plaques. One of my main ones I did was a plaque of the Great Lakes, and then I layered that in with epoxy. And then one project I'm currently working on and trying to wrap up right now is building my drone. I 3D printed the frame and then ordered some of the components online, and so I've been wiring it up and getting ready to program it. And so those are the other projects that I've done besides my chessboard. You know, mechatronics has been very beneficial for me, and I think is a very great course for many others, especially those pursuing a career in this field, because just looking at like the colleges and the material there, it just puts me so much ahead of my peers that don't have this experience. And then also it's just you get a whole understanding, you get to make your own education. Whatever you want to do, there's so many great machines that you can just make great creations, and not just that, but learn so much in the process and then apply that later in life and just to so much more.